Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and short hacks. So first we've taken green sheet and then cutting it from the middle in these lines. After that we are folding it together and placing a face on it to make it look like a cute little snail. As you can see, it looks so good. Let's move ahead to our next hack. Here we have taken a circular sheet and with the help of flowers we are making a beautiful dress. As you can see, after that we are drawing the body of this girl. Let's move ahead. Here we have taken a square sheet. Here we are folding it out from the front. As you can see, just follow the steps what we are doing here. While you see the cavity in there, we are folding it from the sides and then repeat the steps with 4 of the sides, and you can see you get this type of cavity in between. Now you can fill it up with anything or use it for decorating purpose. It will look so good. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken red and green sheets and then we are folding it so that it looks like a fan. We are making watermelon theme fan. After that, join one more of them together. As you can see, now secure it with a stick and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a yellow sheet in oval shape. Next we have taken some green sheet for completing our pineapple, and then again we've taken this yellow sheet for the detailing of our pineapple, and then we are using black marker for more. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a rectangular sheet of paper. Here we've taken designer sheet and then we are folding it from the sides. As you can see, just follow the steps what we are doing here until you get this type of shape. Just keep on folding it as we are doing here until you get this heart type shape, and it looks so good. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a square sheet and then we are folding it out from the back and from the front. As you can see, after that folding that again from the front to get this type of figure. After that, just follow the steps what we are doing here. They are very easy to follow, and then you get your heart and wings and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a square sheet and then we are folding it out from the sides. After that, you get this type of markings on your sheet. Just convert it into a square box. As you can see the cavity in there, join various boxes and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we have taken a waist mask and then cutting it out into this shape. After that, we are folding it from the sides and just sewing it from a thread until you get this type of cavity. After that, we are filling it up with leaves and sealing it. Now take the leftover mask which we've got and then cutting it into this shape. After that, we are folding it with the help of glue and joining it with the bag. After that, it's done. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken red marker and blue marker and some more colorful marker and making this type of drawing, and then as you can see we have used black marker for making the spots on these, and then we are completing the drawing with the thin black pen as you can see, and it's ready. Thanks for watching.